How's it going, YouTube friends? I hope you all have a happy Saturday afternoon. Let's explain a bit about how the drawing of the numbers works and how they are picked. There we have 00, 10, and 11. For example, if yesterday, such as Friday, 00 appeared. In the afternoon draw, the next day, we play the first number, especially the first number. For instance, in particular. This is the number we're going to play. With 00 or 10, numbers 89 and 98 appear. If 00 appeared yesterday afternoon, it was due to Friday's vibration. Today, 89 or 98 is forecasted. If you got 00 yesterday, it came up in the afternoon draw because of the vibration from Friday that I mentioned, and it's accompanied by 89, which could come up today, Saturday. If it's not 89, it could be 98. But either of those two numbers, whichever comes up, is forecasted for today, 89 or 98. So every time we put down 98 or 89, we also include 10. For example, last night 91 came up. Of course, 91 comes up with 11 and 21. So if you get 186 and 107, those two numbers come up with 10 and 11 in turn comes up with 65 and 56. Last night 56 came up, but 11 didn't come up. So it's very likely that today we'll get 11 with 21, by 21, because 20 came up and 15 came up. 15 or 51 goes with 21. So that's how the numbers are drawn. And then we have the 00 that came up last night. Yesterday morning, 00 came up. So we take 00 and 11, why 00? Because 20 came up. So 20 comes up with 00 and 32 or 23. Last night, 20 and 23 came up. Is that clear? So it's very likely that today 00 will come up. 00 accompanied by 32. That's how the numbers come up. If you get a number, for example, yesterday, 35 came up. 35 goes with 15 and 25. Yesterday morning, 35 came up. Last night, 15 came up. And today, 25 is coming up. Why? Because 22 and 27. I'm going to show you here. 22 and 27 pull in 25. We come to the table. I have a whole table with all the numbers. We look at 22. 22 came up last night. The first number next to 22 is 25, and then there's 27. Is that clear? So we come to 27. 27 pulls in 25 and 22, but 22 already came up. So the common one between 22 and 27 is 25. So we put down 25. 57 came out in the morning or at night. Because of that 57, we come here to the table, we check. 57 came out in the afternoon, and then at night 27 came out. So because of that, 27. Throw out 77. And since 77 came out, we have it here, and we have it because of 75. Let's go to approximately 75, and here we have 75 with decimal point 70. We have specifically 77 and 25 in total. So that's how we eventually get the numbers. And then we have that 40 and 44 came out, as expected. Right. So we come here to 40. It pulls in 60 and 90. The numbers that stand alone have a lot of power. So this is just 41. This 41 comes out with 91 and 61. Yesterday in the afternoon, 61 came out, and then 91 came after that. Is that clear? So if we go to the sheet and check, it says that 91 comes out with 61 and 41. Today the vibration gives us 61, 66, 68. So it's very likely that 91 won't come out anymore. But it will come accompanied by 61 and 41. That's how we get the numbers. And if you get a 44, 140, we said that in the month September, numerology is taken as the number 4. The number 4 is a very strong number. We're in a year of vibration, 7. 47, 74. It's very likely that 47 will come out today too. So we look at the table. 97 came out. Is that clear? Does 97 pull in 67 and 97? So we put down 47 and we put down 67. And since 59 came out, we put down 95. Is that clear? That's how the numbers come out. Is that clear? That's how the numbers come out. Everyone's asking how the numbers come out and which game to play. It's like that. They're vibrations. So if you don't have the number, if you don't have it in the equivalents that come out, the number isn't going to come out. That's why the numbers don't come out. Is there a woman who was asking, how does 25 come out? When is it going to come out? And 25 will come out when 22 or 27 comes out. That's how the numbers come out. So why doesn't 17 come out? Because it didn't come out last night. 07 came out. So if we look at the list, there it is. 17. Today it's very likely that 17 will come out, but there has to be another consonant for 17 to come out. It has to be either 14 or 16. Why? Because you might ask, 17 is associated with 14 and 16. 17 gives 14 and 17. 41 gives 71. 71 appeared yesterday and the day before. Numbers like 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 86 might appear. 41 with 71. 71 left, and 2 days ago, 71 came back. That's why they left. Today's vibration is 6, so likely numbers are 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 86. These numbers are accompanied. Take notes. In another video, 10s, 20, 30. 36, 46. So the numbers come out today. The vibration is 6, but those numbers are also accompanied. I'm teaching you this so you can take notes and copy it down. Later in another video, I'll give you the 10s from 20 to 30. Well, have a great weekend, and may the Most High bless you. Thank you.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.